In this video we are going to see how to take perfect snapshot of required region in screencastomatic. In screencastomatic, the taken snapshot generally will be above the size of 750 and 400 for that particular seconds of the video frame. Sometimes you want to capture particular area of the video frame in huge size for good visual, and it is not possible in normal snapshot because your required region looks small, as it took only in a range of 750 and 400. To get required region in big size, click Zoom Preview, drag the horizontal and vertical scroll bar to select your required area. After that, click Snapshot. Now you got your required region in big size.